How can I create a course? Hi, welcome back to Estatoora LMS tutorial. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to create a course. When you log in to your site as an administrator, you can add a new course by clicking Site Administration, Courses, Add a new course. The list of the courses is also shown on the course index page. The full name appears in the large and short name appears in the navigation bar too. You can select the category, decide whether to show the course yet or not, and add a start and end date. Student access is controlled by enrollment dates, not course dates. The dates are useful for activity completion in courses. The course summary and image are shown on a course participant's dashboard, and depending on your settings, it also appears on the front page list of courses and course index page. If you click the course format, you can choose how you like the resources to be displayed. Topics give you numbered topic sections, and you can choose a number of sections. You can select to have a weekly format where the sections are named as weeks. The social format is basically one big message board for discussion. Single activity format would allow you to add just one particular item such as SCORM package or a quiz. If you choose topics or weekly format, you can then decide whether we want to show all the sections on one page. The appearance will allow you to decide how many new items you want to show in the announcements forum. If you set it to 0, you can then delete the announcements forum if you don't think it will be useful for you. Options can be explored by clicking on them and expanding them. For instance, if you click and expand role renaming, then you can change the name here and that will appear just in your course. You can also tag your course to help the new students search for it. As a recap, here's a summary of the things you should remember when creating a course. A new course may be added from the site administration, courses, add a new course, or from the course index page. Now that you learned how to create a course, you can now move on to the next video or find out more in the LMS course documentation. Thank you!